Hey everyone, this is Jesse with farmingseattle.com. Wanted to do a video update on the aquaponics system. It's finally sunny in Seattle. We have like a week of sunshine and not a whole lot's going on with the aquaponics bed. I got lettuce that's popping up down there. Strawberries are doing good. The garlic over here is growing. I don't know what I'm going to do with it because I haven't eaten any of the chives. Let's see here. We got some, I think the mulberries right there. And the leaves are popping up. I'll have to check in a couple weeks to see if it's actually growing some roots in there. The Swiss chard is growing and right there in the middle. And yeah, so far just the lettuce. Hoping they grow a lot quicker. And let's see here. We walk around to the fish. If you notice, this water is super dirty. There is, like, I used to be able to see to the bottom, and I don't know, we put in some wicking beds, and I can't imagine it's the wicking beds. I want to say that it's the bacteria converting. I'll have to check, because these two wicking beds are right there. You can see under there. Let me pull this out. So here's the wicking bed. If you remember, I put the sunflower seeds in there. I just planted some cucumbers. So these are sunflowers, and basically you eat them just like that as a microgreen. Pretty good. But basically I've been coming here every day and just spraying it with a hose because it's just not wicking up water enough. So I don't know what I'm going to do, if I'm going to convert this to a flood and drain system or whatnot. But I had to keep this plastic over it because the birds were just coming and eating all the sunflowers. So other than that, it's been working decent, but I might change what that is. So I don't know if using the compost in there is making some dirty water, or if it's just finally warm enough that that it's converting all the bacteria right now. And yeah, we'll see. Let's see here. We got a small camping fire going on right now. Bunch of elderberry flowers right there. Got some actual, they look like red. If you can see that, if it'll focus. They're like red elderberry flowers, which is cool. A lot of dandelions, rosemary. Finally, the mulberry is popping up. Doesn't look the best, but we'll see how it does. Maybe that's just how the mulberry looks. The skin is kind of, I don't know, gray and everything. But I'll go around to greenhouse because we got an update on the tomatoes. Got a cherry tree with a bunch of flowers, so hopefully all these flowers produce cherries. I got this cherry tree from someone, loaded in a van, clipped it at 8 feet or so because she was not able to get any cherries from it. So I just pruned it down a bunch and we'll see how it works. This is all comfrey, and basically I use this from one cutting, and I made about, I don't know, 30 plants or so all along the place. And last but not least, the greenhouse. Whoa, that is a big bee. We got tomatoes growing right now. And they haven't grown too much. A couple of them have. Right there, if you can see, without me getting stung. A couple sets of leaves on there. And since it's sunny, it's been easier to grow stuff in here. Man, that bee is just all over the place. And some couple other random plants like hydrangeas, the rosemary need to go outside. Doesn't really want to focus. Tomorrow I'm having a GoPro camera, so hopefully we have some better footage and audio and everything coming up. It's just using my cell phone. So with that, we kind of have a steady set of updates. A couple more goji berry plants. I think those will be gone this week. These ones have been grown from seed, and they're doing pretty well with the root bag. But I'm gonna get out of here before the bee gets me. But with that, it's kind of the update for now. So check me out on farmingseattle.com, and got some plants and worms and everything for sale, so check it out.